Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you would be fine and safe. I, Ankita Snehi, welcome you all in my video. Children, today in this video, we will recapitulate chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is Living and Non-Living Things. And at the end of the chapter, you will get some worksheets that you will do in your notebook. So, let's start our video. We see many kinds of things such as birds, animals, people, plants, buildings, chairs, tables, racks, etc. around us. All things are not of the same kind. Some are living things, some are non-living things. For example, tree, crow, house, chair, computer, dog, etc. Things that have life are called living things. For example, tree, girl, animals, etc. Things that do not have life are called non-living things. These are the examples of non-living things. Now, look at the pictures. Write the name of living and non-living things. First, cat, ant, girl, fish, tree. Next side is non-living things, that is car, fan, bag, jug, and kite. All living things grow. A chick grows into a hen. A baby girl grows into a woman. A seed grows into a big tree. Difference between living and non-living things. One side is living thing, second side is non-living thing. So living things move, non-living things do not move. Living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Living things die, non-living things do not die. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are living things? Answer. Living things are things which have life. Question number 2. What are non-living things? Answer is, non-living things are things that do not have life. Question number 3. Mention two differences between living and non-living things. Answer. Living things die, but non-living things do not die. Living things move, but non-living things do not move. Separate living and non-living things into two groups. One side is living thing, another side is non-living thing. So we will separate living and non-living in two different groups. So living things is cat, crow, non-living things car, box. Living things plant, non-living things telephone. Living things horse, non-living things frock. Now here is a crossword. In this list we will differentiate natural and man-made things in a different column. One side is natural things, another side is man-made things. Natural things are tree, man-made is house, cycle, ball. Here natural is elephant, Man-made things is umbrella. Natural thing is mountain. Natural is giraffe. Man-made thing is bus, train, aeroplane, and so on. That we will find out from the crossword. So that's all for today. Now we will meet in the next video. Thank you.